Hi everyone.
Hi. I normally talk to this time.
We are in Itaipava for one retreat this weekend with ayahuasca. And que mais, amor?
So we're in a piece of bioconstruction at the moment. Bioconstruction it just means it's constructed out of natural materials. So it's a term that just basically means that a place is constructed out of natural materials. I don't know if the paint. What do you think this is painted with? Is this natural?
It's normal paint.
Oh, so
No.
not completely out of
Yeah,
natural
no.
materials.
Not
Only
completely. With the principal elements.
with the principal elements. Yeah. And there's also metal in the structure too.
Yeah.
So we're in a what? Is this a hexagonal?
Sim,
Yeah.
é hexagonal e eles chamam de. Como é que é o nome? Bungalow.
Yeah, hexagonal bungalow. And so these are wooden logs, and they're varnished or have lacquer on them. And then here's metal, what would this be called? Frame? Metal supports, metal frames. And of course, there are windows. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's nice in here. But the great thing about bioconstruction is that you're using natural materials. The bad thing about using natural materials is that they tend to decompose fairly easily. So the wood on the outside of this building is decomposing and rotting, and so it's rotting inward. And you can see here where it's begun rotting, and begun molding, and so with bioconstruction, there's often more maintenance. I understand you can do certain things with bamboo, for example, to make it more resistant to insects and more resistant to molding. The two things you can do are you soak the bamboo in boric acid. Boric acid's been used for a long period of time. The second thing you can do is you can soak it in silica, I think, and that makes it more impermeable and resistant to insects. But still there's a lot more maintenance. It's more difficult to clean these sorts of environments. But they can be tricky to construct as well. But they are using natural material in the during the day. This place heats up really nicely, and as you can tell, it's kind of cold right now. And so at the night, this place stores heat for a period of time, which makes the inside nice and warm, but also has a nice breeze because of the ability to open the windows. And then the bathroom here.
Yeah, we can show.
Yeah, two.
No. Yeah.
Okay, all right. I guess I normally do these. Here we have a ¿qué es ese?
Skylight.
Sim, skylight. Thank you, thank you, Elizabeth.
I forgot the name in Portuguese. Claraboia em português, o nome é Claraboia.
Claraboia. So Claraboia skylight. So here we have a skylight. It's really nice in here. Here's the bathroom. Let me see that. So this is not bioconstruction material.
No.
No, the bathroom is not. And nice. So here we have the window. Here we have a small sink. The hot water here. We do have hot water in both sinks actually here. So bioconstruction with hot water, but the hot water and the hot water in the shower lasts for
5 minutes.
5 minutes, not long. And we have a toilet here. Again, in Brazil, for most toilets, you don't put any of the toilet paper down the toilet. So the toilet paper you wipe yourself with, you put in here, which is pretty unhygienic. But it's because their sewer system here isn't great. And most of the toilets here in Brazil don't have plungers. So, you use a lot of toilet paper in here and this thing will get clogged really easily, or the toilet paper will just kind of wash around because the pressure isn't so strong. Not a lot of pressure. So, anything else to show you here? Elizabeth, anything else to say about bioconstruction?
Yeah, we can show total house.
Okay.
One second. You can show here. And we can show outside too. Tem outro bungalow ali, o mesmo with bioconstruction too. Aqui tem bambu, madeira. Yeah, it's nice here.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe I'll just show you some of the
Yeah.
rotting, you know.
Yeah.
So here we have other plants coming out and growing on here, and here we have the rotting wood, and the rotting wood extends. Can you see that? The rotting wood extends inside, so it's rotting all the interior. You know, this is just one problem right now with bioconstruction materials.
Yeah, bioconstruction is necessary. Many maintenance.
Muito maintenance, a lot of maintenance for bioconstruction
Yes.
in general. So yeah, we had a interesting time at the ayahuasca retreat here, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this brief video. Thanks. Bye bye.
Bye bye.